Hello everyone, I hope you're all safe and well. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining me for another video. So as most of you will have seen a couple of weeks ago, Psydex released this video of him pulling the egg sac of his Psalmopoeus cambridgei and then incubating it. You'll also remember around about the same time I released this video which shows the incubator build and the process of that sort of stuff. I built the incubator and then sent it off to Psydex so you could use it to incubate his egg sac. Well, as a thank you for building him the incubator, Psydex has sent me this. So yeah, he said you know, he wanted to send me a couple of the cambridgei slings as a thank you for building the incubator for him. He's packaged them up and sent them through, so we're going to be opening this today. Right, so I've got a little card in the top there. So Psydex has stuck in one of his Invert Kingdom cards, business cards. So he's written on there, "To Wayne, thanks for the awesome job you did on the incubator. As my way of a thank you, please accept and enjoy 3p cambridgei slings. Thanks again," from Psydex. What a legend. Okay. Let's have a look, make sure these guys are all safe and sound. So all taped up around the edges as well. Oh, look at that little, oh bless, look at that. That little guy in there. That's one. That's two. There you go. And there's number three. So there we go, absolutely blown away by that. Psydex, you didn't have to send me these, dude, but I really appreciate the fact that you have. I'm really glad that you enjoyed receiving that incubator and it worked out well for you and it helped you to raise these awesome little dudes here. Right, so I guess the next step is we're gonna get these set up into individual little enclosures. It's perfect because the little enclosures that Psydex has sent along with these, or the little pots, will work perfectly as enclosures.